In Meridian, homeowners face a unique blend of climate challenges, from chilly winters to hot, dry summers. Maintaining a comfortable home in such conditions often means relying heavily on heating and cooling systems, which can drive up energy costs. For many Meridian residents, the solution lies in an often overlooked upgrade: energy-efficient windows. Energy-efficient windows are more than just a smart investment. They're essential for homeowners who want to improve their home's comfort, reduce utility bills, and contribute to a sustainable future. Here's why they're a must-have for Meridian homes. Adapt to Meridian's climate. Meridian's climate features cold winters that demand efficient heating and warm summers that require effective cooling. Standard windows often fail to provide the necessary insulation, allowing heat to escape in winter and unwanted warmth to enter during summer. Energy-efficient windows are designed to tackle this issue. With features like low-E coatings and double or triple pane glass filled with insulating gases, these windows reduce heat transfer. This keeps your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer, ensuring comfort throughout the year. Lower energy bills. One of the most noticeable benefits of energy-efficient windows is the reduction in energy costs. In Meridian, where temperature extremes are common, heating and cooling systems often run non-stop. However, poorly insulated windows can account for up to 30% of a home's energy loss. Energy-efficient windows create a tight seal, preventing drafts and minimizing energy leakage. This reduces the workload on your HVAC system, leading to significant savings on monthly utility bills. Over time, these savings can offset the initial cost of installing energy-efficient windows. Reduce carbon footprint. For environmentally conscious homeowners in Meridian, energy-efficient windows offer a practical way to reduce their carbon footprint. By improving insulation and decreasing energy usage, these windows help lower greenhouse gas emissions associated with heating and cooling. Installing energy-efficient windows isn't just a personal gain, it's a contribution to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly Meridian. Enhance indoor comfort. Drafty windows can make your home feel uncomfortable, especially during Meridian's colder months. Energy-efficient windows eliminate drafts by providing better insulation, ensuring consistent temperatures throughout your home. Additionally, advanced features like low-E coatings help reduce glare from sunlight while maintaining natural light. This enhances indoor comfort and makes your living spaces more enjoyable year-round. Protect your home's interior. Meridian's sunny days bring natural light that brightens homes, but they also pose a risk to furniture, flooring, and artwork. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can cause fading and damage to your interiors. Energy-efficient windows are equipped with UV blocking technology, which filters harmful rays while still allowing ample daylight to enter. This protects your investments and preserves the beauty of your home's interior spaces. Increase your home's value. Installing energy-efficient windows is not just an upgrade for the present, it's an investment in your home's future value. Buyers in Meridian increasingly prioritize energy efficiency when searching for homes. Modern, energy-efficient windows can significantly enhance your home's appeal and market value. By making the switch, you're not only improving your quality of life but also boosting your home's resale potential. Noise reduction for peace and quiet. Meridian neighborhoods can sometimes be bustling with activity, from local traffic to community events. Energy-efficient windows help insulate against outdoor noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful living environment. This feature is particularly beneficial for families, remote workers, or anyone who values tranquility at home. Minimize maintenance. Energy-efficient windows are often made with durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which require less maintenance than traditional wood frames. Additionally, their advanced coatings reduce condensation and buildup, keeping your windows cleaner for longer periods. This makes them a practical choice for busy homeowners in Meridian who want both performance and convenience. Choosing the right energy-efficient windows for your Meridian home. When selecting energy-efficient windows, consider the following factors. Energy Star certification. Look for windows with the Energy Star label, which ensures they meet rigorous efficiency standards. Low U factor and SHGC ratings. A lower U factor indicates better insulation, while a low solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, reduces heat gain from sunlight. Frame material. Opt for materials like vinyl or fiberglass for durability and thermal resistance. Professional installation. Proper installation is crucial to maximize the benefits of energy-efficient windows. Work with a trusted local installer in Meridian to ensure a perfect fit. A smart upgrade for Meridian homes. Energy-efficient windows are an essential upgrade for Meridian homes, offering a combination of comfort, cost savings, and sustainability. By reducing energy consumption, they help homeowners save money while contributing to a greener future. If you're ready to make your home more comfortable and efficient, now is the time to consider energy-efficient windows. With their long-term benefits and immediate impact on your daily life, these windows are an investment every Meridian homeowner will appreciate.